Hey, what is up guys, Trix is here and today we are doing the unboxing of this smartphone lens. So let's get right to the unboxing. So this is the 3-in-1 camera lens kit. So opening the box, we will get these 3 lenses and also a case for the lens. And yeah, they include these things too, this one and also the other one. So nothing special, so let's see how we can use these 3 lenses. So these lenses, I think this one is fish eye. Yeah, this one is fish eye. This one is fish eye lens. Let's put the lens on my tablet. Yeah, this how it looks once you put the lens. It's easy to put this, and yeah. So thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Take care and peace. With